Hey guys, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today what we are going to be doing is I'm going to show you how I'm going to be working on the mini savings challenges to help pay off the debt. So in my last video I showed you guys the balances of all my debt as of March 1st. Some of these will probably been changed, but this is March 1st because as they've been taken out, they have lowered. So, we are going to get started with this. And I can't believe the numbers. So, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slide that over to the side, and then we are going to start with all these ones because y'all know every $1 bill I get, I put into my All You Need Is Love bag, and I use the ones for the mini savings challenges. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So these $47 are going to go into these little minis. This little mini is going to go into the snowball envelope, and we are going to take that money and pay on the lowest one, the lowest balance of one, to try to get it paid off quicker. The rest of these, this one's going to utilities, and I'm not sure about these other little minis that I've got, where they'll be going, but some of them does have a place to go. I just haven't figured it out yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how we're going to do this is I'm going to take a dice, and whatever it lands on is going in the first one, and then we'll just keep going until we get through the money. So the first one is a 3, and I'm just going to write in the number on that one. So we got 1, 2, 3. Sorry guys, it's getting springtime. The flowers are coming up. The daffodils have bloomed here. The trees are budding, and my allergies is going nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're just going to go until we run out of money. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Well, let's try it. 1. See how far we can go. 1, 2, and 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll throw it to that one. Just do what you can with what you got, y'all. let's see, so we had 3 and 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we had a 1, so it's 10. So that one will go into here. And like I said, you know, if you save small amounts, it's okay. It's okay to save small amounts. Save what you can, because it all adds up in the end. And then we will just, let's see, let me just mark these out like this. So this one has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It also got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, there's one row done. So guys, can you believe it's already March? I can't. I can't believe that March has already rolled in. This year is, I mean, we always say it, this year is flying by. I mean, and it really is flying by. It's March the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once I figure out where these are going to go, I will show you, because these will be going into the other binders. And we are going to be working on paying off debt. This one right here has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one right here is almost completed. And if you all have been watching my other videos, I do these a lot off camera too. The ones that I had before is what all went in to get me ahead on the mortgage and the car payment. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, you know, little wins add up big. So we will just slide this in here. One, 2, 3. Summertime didn't want nothing. So we will go 1, 2, 3. And I'll give you an update on the February, the end of February balance on the coins. I still save my coins. I've just been doing them off camera also. It's just so hard for me to record when everybody's here, and I have to take advantage of when everybody is out of the house, because it just gets a lot of noise and I can't concentrate on what I'm doing. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, you know, it's just hard for me to find time when everybody is out of the house for me to be able to record. So, that's it for those ones, which we did save 40 some dollars going into different places, except for this one. And this one is going to debt snowball. So I'm just going to write it back here. Debt snowball. So, and I will get my little budget thing over here, because I did figure out on one of these account things. Okay, so February, let me count this up and I'll tell you exactly how many coins we saved in February. Let's see, 234, 945, and 1043. we saved $22.22 in coins. So I should have 203 saved. 203.13. So that is the update on these. Remember, guys, to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.